What's up, guys? Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cuts. Guys, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. We are well over 20,000 subscribers, and that is all because of you. So again, thank you. Today, we're going to be making $1 million bacon. Now, many of you may have a First Watch restaurant in your area, and this is a copycat of their ever so popular $1 million bacon. Believe it or not, it's simple to make, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing that I have here is I've got a pound of bacon, and I've got thick sliced bacon. I've got some cinnamon, some cayenne pepper. I've got some ground black pepper. I've got some light brown sugar. I've got some water, and then I've got some maple syrup. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to whisk all of these ingredients together. We're going to place it in our shallow dish, put the bacon in, and then we're going to bake it. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the water, then the brown sugar. Now, you don't necessarily have to go in the order that I'm going in, but this is just what I'm doing, okay? We're gonna throw in our maple syrup. Guys, this is a dish that you can have for breakfast, but you can also have it if you just want a nice snack, okay? That's our cayenne pepper, our black pepper. And guys, make sure that you're thoroughly mixing this. Now that we've gotten everything mixed in, what we're going to do, guys, make sure that you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I've got just a slotted or a gridded baking tray, and I've got a baking sheet up under it. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to dump our bacon in this mixture, and then we're going to lay it flat on our baking dish, and we're going to bake it. Super simple, guys, but the payoff is tremendous. Guys, I hope that this video is finding you well. Comment down below where you guys are from. And if you haven't already, please make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so that every time that Southern Girl Cooks uploads a video, you will be amongst the first to know. So guys, I'm just going to continue adding this bacon into the mixture, and then we're going to bake it. And this is also a dish that you can make ahead of time. So say for instance, you've got some family coming in. I know this is the time of year where family reunions and things like that are happening. So if you want to make some $1 million bacon so that maybe your brunch or your breakfast and you're cooking for a lot of people, maybe you want to go ahead and make it early so that you've got some of your prep work out of the way. So just keep that in mind. Now, I'm using pork bacon. I've never tried it with turkey bacon, but my guess is that it's beautiful, that it's going to come out lovely. Comment down below, guys, if you are more of a turkey bacon person and if you're going to give this a try. And if you do give it a try with turkey bacon, comment down below and let me know how that worked out for you, okay? Now, one thing I will say with turkey bacon, you have a lower fat content. So that may be something to consider when you think about how long you're going to bake it. Doesn't have to be beautiful the way you put it on here, because you are going to be checking on it and you can move it about once it starts to cook if that's something that you need to do. And I think what I'm going to do is stop with these pieces. This one needs a little more love. Let me put it back in here and get some more glaze on it. Alrighty. Go ahead and stick this in the oven. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is turn this around in a different direction in the stove, and then bake it another 15 minutes. Okay guys, we've got $1 million bacon fresh out of the oven. Now is the moment of truth. That's sweet, that's spicy. The cinnamon gives it a nice flavor. Guys, you have to try this one. That's really good. Guys, thanks for watching Southern Girl Cooks. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.